Welcome to Luca is a billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming the lift's rated capacity and battery level. Do this every time because safety depends on it. Once done, position the base under the bed and lock the wheels so nothing rolls. Make sure the patient understands the movement and has consented. Fit the correct sling. This prevents slipping. You're setting up the load, the path, and the patient simultaneously, so proceed calmly but decisively to avoid surprises during the lift. You now roll the patient gently and slide the sling under them, aligning the head and hips for support. Next, attach straps to the spreader bar in the order recommended by the manufacturer, making sure each side has even tension. Imbalance causes tipping. Once connected, perform a slow test lift just a few centimeters to check stability and comfort. If you feel any shift, stop and adjust straps or reposition the sling. This prevents abrupt corrections later. You lift and move the patient with smooth, controlled motions. Once clear of the bed, lock the lifter base before settling them onto the chair or commode. Lower them steadily until feet or buttocks make stable contact, then detach the sling only when you confirm comfort and balance. If something goes wrong, say the patient tilts, stop immediately, lower slightly to a safe position, and retension the straps or reposition the sling before attempting again. That single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.